Hi kids, this is I Motivate for Kids. On this channel, we motivate kids to do better at home, school, and everywhere. Today we have our helper James, and he's gonna help us unbox another Ryan's World toy. James, what toy do we have today?
Today we have the Ryan's Mystery Mini Egg that includes one putty, one micro figure, two tattoos, one sticker, and one mystery figure.
What's inside? Okay, let's open it
up.
Oh wow, so let's see what's inside.
Okay, so I'm going to open it in 3, 2, 1.
Ooh.
Oh, what came out?
Let's
see. What do you guys think it's gonna be?
I think Combo Panda. What did we get?
We got Alien Ryan.
Oh wow!
He has a jetpack, if you can see, to launch out to space.
Nice.
He has some antennas with some blue skin, with gray pants and gray shirt, with some green on both of them.
So let's go to the next reveal.
Okay, let's go, kids.
What's that?
It is Space Astronaut Ryan.
Oh my God.
Just got the alien run, and this is the duo. Even he's happy.
I love it.
He has this space mask so he doesn't get sick. He has an astronaut suit with a R, some very cool jetpack.
And look at his shoes.
He has some shiny silver shoes.
That is so cool.
Another thing he has is a space gun to make sure that nobody hurts his spaceship.
Nice.
Look at this. Pew, 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 pew.
That is so cool.
Hi, you're a little bit small. Hey, don't roast me and don't make fun of me ever again. Okay, I'm sorry, but I just wanted to tell you that your outfit is so cool and I like your spaceship, and just in case you want to attack me, I got this gun to blow your whole spaceship up. Okay, I will just not going to attack you. I was planning to, now I'm not. You're planning to. What did you just say? Sorry. Okay, here we have the Ryan Planet tattoo and a Ryan astronaut tattoo that we just got, exactly the same thing. And we have this sticker.
Oh, that is for Alien Ryan.
But different face color.
That's
skin.
true. This is a green one.
Okay, now it's time for the Ryan's Mystery Putty. It says Ryan's Mystery Putty. The last time we got the gold, if you watch the video, you guys could watch that video, but after you watch this one. So Ryan's Mystery Putty. Let's see what we got.
What color?
So the last time we got gold, this time we got green. My favorite color is green, just like Alien.
Nice.
And guess what is like Alien? The sticker we got.
Let's open it.
We got the container. Open it up. Look at this, kids. We have the Ryan's green putty. We hope you like it.
So children, now we're going to talk about another Anthony Robbins quote. And this quote says, whatever you hold in your mind on a consistent basis is exactly what you would experience in your life. If you hold positive thoughts in your mind, you will experience positive things. But if you have negative thoughts, you will experience negative things. Put good things in your thoughts so that your life will be filled with good things. Thank you so very much for watching. If you learned something today, please share with your friends and family. Like and subscribe to our channel for more fun videos. Remember what we always say on this channel, it's not impossible because I'm unstoppable. See you next time. Bye.